Hi, it's Survival Connor with another video. Today's video is going to be unboxing my new bushcraft knife. It's a Mora Heavy Duty Companion. So come on, let's go. Alright, here we got the package and some scissors. So let's just get cutting right away. Alright, we got it. Alright, we got the knife out. So the package is done. That's all that was in there. So let's just get this out of here. So first off, let's just say the box is really nice. Yep, it was made in Sweden. Yep, there you go, Sweden. Here is the picture. So it's a Mora Heavy Duty. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna cut open this box and I'll see you there. All right, so here we got the box and the sheath. As you can see, we got the knife out, so this box is out of here. So, one thing that's nice about this knife, is just talking about the sheath, is this little ridge. So you can use it to take the knife out of the sheath one-handed. The blade is already sharp, straight out of the package. It has a rubberized grip, which let me just turn this around, which helps for support, which is really nice. Here, Mora. So yeah, this is a heavy duty companion, I think. It's really nicely weighted. I'm gonna go check out how it carves, so come on, let's go. So another thing that's nice about the sheath is a belt clip, which allows you to attach it to your pants, so it's for easy carry. Now let's go and check out how it carves. So come on, let's go and check out how it carves. So I've been already carving a little bit and it carves great. It's easy to control and overall came out of the package pretty sharp, but I'm gonna sharpen it some more later. So for more easier cutting. That's a pretty good knife. So thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to Survival Connor for more survival and outdoor videos like this one. This is Survival Connor signing off.